done to this? Give us a little breakdown.
Big boost kit. For people that don't know what a big boost kit, it's a Garrett Turbo.
How big?
It's a G35.
G35 what?
I would have to pull up the specs.
Is it like, because I know they got like a 600, right? Like 900, some shit like that.
This is this is a GTX 1000 kit.
Okay.
Right now the car is on a base map. It's running like 18-20 psi probably. I did put a little bit of E85, so I'm on like an E20 blend just for safety, basically.
You have a flex fuel sensor?
Flex fuel sensor, port injection, but that's not really like coming into play because it's not on full E right now. Meth is disconnected, so I have the tank, but I have no meth.
How come? You ever had it on the dyno before?
With an older setup, so with stock turbo, almost fully 85. Well, basically fully 85 because we had no low pressure pump. I believe it was before the port injection, and it was straight meth. So M1 E85 on stock turbo, we made like 60 something.
So it should be much better now. Hell yeah.
So right now, I mean, I'm expecting like 7, you know?
Yeah,
but that's like fully dialed in and like
right.
exchange all that bullshit, it didn't matter.
The fucking the meth is like somewhere into the intake manifold somewhere in there?
No, it's actually right here.
Oh, that's it right there.
Yeah,
okay.
So it runs all the way back to the solenoid, and then from the solenoid it runs all the way to the front.
Yeah, let's see that real quick. I heard you trying to do a little
as you
nitrous.
can see, there's we're gonna do but no meth and
It's empty. Yeah, I see this shit. That's fire.
Shit empty. As you can see, I still got parts.
Yep.
A few more things to button up.
How much you trying to spray?
So the only thing we're probably gonna do with the spray is to spool up the turbo. So
Also like a 50, 75.
Yeah, and that probably even less, like 35.
Oh yeah.